Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts, like the chart behind me, which is of Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. And so I wanted to go over this because I had marked this trend line support a little while ago, and I just noticed something that I thought was really beautiful and I wanted to share. And I'll also be going over some technical levels that might be of importance moving forward. And so first, in looking at the chart, these white dashed lines represent gaps that may be filled. And so there's one that was recently formed that would be going down to $225.40, which is not unreasonable for the price to dip that low, considering it closed on Friday at $234.30. Then there's also this gap to the upside at $289.52, and then a gap to the downside at $146.41. And there are also a number of other gaps to the downside. I think I saw one around $17. I don't expect that one to ever be filled. So, who knows? With this stock, can be pretty volatile, very strong company. So, yeah, some of these gaps to the downside, maybe this one at 146.41 will never be filled. Who knows? But anyways, so I'm just going to go over this trend line, this yellow trend line that I have drawn here. And so it is based on, let's see, the open on January 6th of 2023, as well as the low of April 27th, 2023. And so from that trend line, those two touch points, it looks like the high on October 19th kissed that line with a high of $230.61. And then more recently, on November 15th, the close was at $242.84, which again, as you can see, was right on that line. So yeah, I'm just going to zoom in a little bit so we can see this a little better with that open there on January 6th, and then moving forward, the low on April 27th, and then nothing until breaking below that line, kissing it on October 19th, and then again the close on November 15th. So I suspect that that line that has served as prior support and now acting as resistance, I feel that will be pretty significant resistance moving forward. And then also, as you notice in blue, I have this downward channel marked here based on the, let's see, June 9th values and the November 17th, so on Friday. So this is, I believe, one standard deviation to the upside and downside. It's just the default in Webull. And so you notice that there were a couple times that the top of it was broken out briefly, but then rejected, as well as the bottom broken below, and then rejected, bounced back in. And the middle of the channel also looks like it served as some support at different times. And yeah, and so my thoughts with this are that the top of this channel seems like it converges with this uptrend that I have drawn, that would be corresponding with the date of December 7th. So I think that it's possible that this the center of this channel will serve as support before a retest of not only the trend line that's now acting as resistance, but also the top of the channel. And because two of those levels that are acting as resistance right now are converging, I suspect it will be rejected before making its way down to the bottom of the channel. However, I could be completely wrong because, Tesla is always surprising people with how strong it is. So yeah, and if you found this helpful, make sure you like the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks a lot for watching.